Okay guys, yeah, this is the New Year night 2026. So this is the this is the first time I'm enjoying the New Year night. I've never done this before. Yeah, you can hear the sounds, you can hear the fireworks. It's me for the first time recording this for the YouTube. I have never done this. It's very cold breeze on the roof. I cannot stand here. I'll try to shoot the video for you guys and try to record the sounds, and we'll see if there is any fireworks. I'll try to record that as well. Okay, that's very beautiful sounds. That looks great. I'll just try to rotate the camera. I'll try to see if there is any fireworks around. Okay, too much guns, Guns and roses. Yeah, guns and roses in the New Year's night. Yeah. Ooh, it's very cold, man. I think it's probably 4 degrees Celsius. Yeah, the temperature around here. Just enjoy the sounds. Enjoy the sounds. Okay. Very good. Very beautiful. Yeah. I have a very small YouTube channel. I have just recently made it. Okay. It's over there as well. It's over there as well. Ooh, it's very cold, man. Just don't look at the video. Just focus on the sounds, which I am doing now. Very cold, man. It's very cold. It's 12 1st January 2026. Happy New Year to everyone who's listening to me. Not much of the fireworks. It's only the gunshots. Yeah. Yo. Okay, you know which gun was that? Is that a rifle? Boom. So guys, I'll just close the video now. It's very cold. I cannot stand here. Okay, still a bit of music is there. Yeah, that's beautiful. The DJ is playing the music. Yeah. Still beautiful. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, there is a bit of firework on the front street. That's right next to the national highway. But over there, the motorway, I don't see any fireworks there. Must have been there fireworks every year. Okay. Still. Does. That looks beautiful, isn't it? So, enjoy your New Year. Make new plans for the New Year. Try to accomplish them. Bet on yourself and just do it. Woohoo. Lonely, I have nobody for my own. Girl, I am so lonely, so lonely. Should I go down to my room now? The beautiful sounds of handed here. Oh, oh. Should I go down to my room now?